For every dollar spent on email marketing, on average, online businesses are making back $42. That's a 42x return on ad spend, y'all, which is absolutely incredible. And in this video, I'm going to show you a secret weapon that we've been using and we've been secretly telling people about within our community that you can use to level up and hit those same type of numbers. So you're going to want to pay attention during this video. Be sure to share this with some friends, share this with some entrepreneurs who are looking to level up their brand, who might be struggling with email marketing and simply just want a way out, want a new way to actually make money within their business and live the lives that they want to live. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel because it does help us get the word out about digital marketing and how amazing it is, and also how life-changing it is. I mean, like really life-changing. Like, we just had a student last month hit 300K in revenue, and this month is on track to make over $1 million in revenue for the year, and it's only August. So this stuff changes lives. You're gonna want to pay attention. Now, I highly encourage you to stay till the end of this video because if you do, you're gonna get access to some really cool templates that you can use for your email marketing efforts in order to generate these same type of results in your business. 42x return on ad spend. I just can't get over that. Now, I do understand email marketing can be very difficult when you don't know what words to say, when you don't know the type of promotions that you're going to do, when you don't have an idea of the subject lines that you're going to create in order to attract that attention and get people to actually buy from you. There's a number of different things you have to do within an email to get people to actually buy from you, and this tool right here is the cheat code to figuring it out, and it's going to allow you to spy on the big dogs and the big brands that are always bringing in revenue day after day after day through email marketing. So let me show you this tool right now. The name of this website is mild.com, and what it allows you to do is it allows you to search for particular emails from your favorite brands. If you take a look right here as I scroll down, you see all types of brands from Sephora to Joann's Fabric to Famous Footwear to Rack Room Shoes to Petco. I mean, you got a bunch of different brands that you can check out. Now, the main purpose of this website isn't necessarily for marketers, it's for people looking for deals. So if you're a consumer and you want to find the best deals, you would come to mild.com and you would simply subscribe to the newsletters here, and then you essentially are able to check out promotions from all different kinds of brands, the world leaders in email marketing and promotions and revenue. From a marketing perspective, I want y'all to start thinking that way. Think like a marketer. Think about someone who's trying to gain the sauce on how to properly market your brand. What you do is you come in here and you start spying on these different email marketing promotions that companies are doing. I'm going to give you an example here. So let's just go to brands here, and it's going to show us all the different brands that we have access to today. Look at all these brands: Sephora, Michael Kors, American Eagle, Guess, Pier 1. Like, these are some of the top brands in the world, right? And even if you're not selling products, if you're selling digital products, this can still work for you because marketing is marketing, right? There's only subtle tweaks that need to happen, and I'm going to show you that here in a second. So for instance, let's come over here to Bulletproof. This is a supplement brand. So let's say that you're a supplement brand and you're looking to find ways to get to that 42x return on ad spend. What Mills allows you to do is not only check out one of their emails, but check out how they're nurturing their customers day after day with new emails. So what you could do is you could come in here and you could say, okay, what are they doing today? So they're telling a quick little story about losing weight, giving you some tips, and then they're promoting a product. That's something you could do within your brand. More tips here on August 13th. On August 12th, they're giving you 2x the points. So you could look at these emails and see exactly the way that Bulletproof is marketing to their customers. And then you can take the same exact layout and use it for yourself. And these are things brands are doing day after day, like August 11th, August 12th, August 13th, 14th, 15th. So every single day they are emailing customers and focusing on nurturing the audience in order to get them to gain more trust in their brand, and then that's when you can get the sale. I'm telling you from experience, this is what will allow you to increase that ROI for email marketing, and that's why it's extremely important to build your list. See the link above for our Grow Your List Challenge if you want to be a part of that. Now I'm going to give you another example here that you can use when you're trying to promote things. This here is Famous Footwear, and what I've done is I've come over to their marketing email and I've checked out the layout of the email, because one of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to actual promotions via email is the layout. Sometimes people are attracted to the way things are laid out and how things look. So in this email you can see that there's a nice little picture here with some Nike shoes promoting a 30% off discount, and then there's some buttons here that you can click on. Once you scroll down, you see a couple different offers, and then you continue to scroll down, and then they have a couple more promotions here. This is how a lot of different brands are currently marketing via email. So you can take this exact template and use it for yourself. Now I know what you're gonna say. Oh, I don't know how to create a template like that. It's too difficult. It's hard. Well, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be difficult and it doesn't have to be hard. I'm going to show you exactly how to utilize that template or a template similar to this right now and actually plug it into an email marketing software that you can use. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here into Canva. I currently have a template here, and this is an email marketing template that we've created. And what we've done here is we've just added a couple different words here. We've added the offer, we've added the $20 off, and then we added some buttons here, as well as some text that actually gets people to convert. We never do this, take advantage today. And then the discount code, whatever that might be right here. What we've done is we've actually templatized this. So if you want to get access to something like this, I'm going to drop a link that should pop up on your screen right now. And because you're staying until the end of this video, you're actually going to be able to get this link and use this template for your brand. But this is a cool little template that you can use, and you can infuse it into your email that I'm going to show you right now. So this is an email. This is the email layout. First thing you see here inside of the email is you see our logo. Then what we have here is huge deals this week. Now this is all editable. I can change all the words here. And then what I've done is I've added a few buttons. New, men's deals, flash sale. I've added a few different buttons, and when you click these buttons, you have the ability to actually add a link that the button will take them to. So on your website, if you have new arrivals or something like that, you can simply add that link right here. Then when your customer clicks this, it's going to take them to your website. Same with men's deals, same with flash sales. And then what I've done is I've simply added that image from Canva to my email. Easy as that. And now you have the same type of marketing. Now what you can do is you can click on the image like I am right now, come over here to the link, and then add your link so that when they click on this picture, it takes them to where you want to send them. The key with email marketing is you want to tell people exactly what to do, and you want it to be as easy as possible for them to access your discount. So that's what we've done here. Then if you continue to scroll down, what you'll see is a couple more offers. This is where you would add one of your products here. Amazing offer number 1 with a button that's going to take them right there. Same thing here. You add an image of your product, you hit them with amazing offer number 2, and all you have to do is click this link, add your URL, and then the customer is going to go right there. Then you have the amazing offer number 3, amazing offer number 4, and these are all linking to whatever links that you want them to go to. All right, this is an absolute game changer. And now you have the same exact email layout as Famous Footwear. Same thing. Now if you notice here on the bottom they have more images. All you simply need to do is go to Canva and find more images. So we actually have another template. This is a template for my course creators out there, for my coaches, for my consultants. If you have a digital product, you can use a template like this. This is the Black Friday course sale template, and it's the Countdown to Conversions course flash sale. Now again, you can change these words up once you get access to this template. You can change these words up, and basically it breaks down what they're getting. In this particular example, I have a master Facebook ads course that they can click on. I have an email marketing course that they can click on, and then we have a button right here that says shop both and save 50% off. If you want access to that template, again, it's going to be in the link inside of the YouTube video. But then all you would need to do is you would take this particular picture, you would come back here into our platform, and then right here you would insert another image. So I simply drag image, insert right there, then I simply click on the image, then you're able to upload a brand new image right here, and it's going to have the same layout as your favorite brands. Now one thing that Mild also will show you is the subject lines that these brands are using. Up to 30% off, must have Nike. Hot styles from Nike are up to 30% off today. So you have subject lines that you can use right there. I can do the same thing with Bulletproof. If you look at Bulletproof, the nootropics cocktail you want in your life. Why you're not losing weight with keto. Okay, so these are tried and true headlines and subject lines that you don't even have to worry about trying to figure out. You can take the ones that these brands are doing. And if you don't want to 100% just take exactly what they're doing, you can plug this into ChatGPT and you could ask ChatGPT to come up with something better. So for instance, up to 30% off, must have Nike. I can take this, I can copy it, I can come to ChatGPT. You can say, write me 20 example subject lines for an email promotion, rewriting this email subject line. And then we enter the email subject line. Then we say, focus on making customers aware of a huge weekend sale. The objective of this email promotion is maximizing revenue. Then we can tell ChatGPT to make it urgent and open worthy. And then we just sit here and ChatGPT will give us subject lines. Weekend alert, Nike drops prices by 30%. Nike flash sale this weekend only. Hurry, Nike favorites at a fraction of the price. Snag your Nike must-haves at 30% off. So you can see here that ChatGPT is going to generate a bunch of different subject lines that we can now use to run it up within our brand. So everything is done for you. You have everything you need to be successful. So y'all, email marketing does not have to be a difficult thing. You can literally take things that other brands are doing, add your own swag to it, and get that 42x return on ad spend. If you're interested in the email marketing tool that I was using in this video to actually generate emails, build amazing email nurture sequences like you saw Bulletproof do, and much, much more, go ahead and click the link below. Check out the demo video. It's going to literally rock your world, and it's going to help you to generate tons and tons of new money flooding into your business. Again, hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was informational for you. Remember, action takers are money makers. So keep taking that action within your business. Don't just sit here and watch this video, but actually sit here and watch this video and implement as you watch. That's how you make the money. I've hung out with a lot of high-level entrepreneurs that are making really, really good money, and the one commonality between them all is that when they get a play, when they get some sort of an action that they need to take, they don't waste any time. They go straight for it and they take the action, and that's why they're super successful within their business. So remember, be successful by taking that action, and we will see you in the next video. Peace and love.